Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to tell you how you can optimize your page manually. And guys, this is very important if you want to build a brand. If you do not concentrate on SEO, then that means you have planned to invest regularly in ads on Instagram, on Facebook. So let's jump into my Shopify store. So guys, as you can see, this is my product list, and I have optimized almost all of my product, but I have few products which are not optimized. So let me show you how you can optimize your product for SEO. And believe me, it's very strong method if you are in long-term business in Shopify. So as you can see, this is title of the product and this is the description of the product. And normally when you do not optimize your product, by default this Google takes this description and this title, and if I put this title and do not optimize my product, then I'm sure my product is never gonna rank on Google. So as you can see guys, here you have the option to edit website SEO. Click on it, and this is another option. You can edit how the page title will be on Google search, how your description will be seen on Google search, and what will be your link. So guys, let me tell you 3 to 4 important terms which you must have to apply while optimizing a page. So guys, as you can see, this is a camera lens plastic coffee mug. So let me Google this. Camera lens coffee. As you can see that people use these keywords to search this product. So what we are going to do, there are more categories. So but we are going to take this and copy as our main SEO title. Okay, so camera lens coffee mug, camera lens coffee mug. So guys, we have 70 characters to use, and we have still used only 23. Make sure you use all of your words you need to. So and camera lens coffee mug. So guys, when you write a title, you must have to care about modifier words. Modifier words are like cheap, deals, review, best, online, free shipping. Actually, these words will help you to rank in long tail keywords. I'm going to use this modifier word, best camera lens, best camera lens coffee mug in 2018. And now guys, the second important fact, uh, you have to use magnet word. You can use these words. So most of the time I prefer using this one and this one, because and this one. So let me think, what let me see that how much discount I am giving. It's around 30%. So over 30% off, free shipping. These are magnet words, and this is your modifier word. Guys, this will help you in ranking in long tail keywords, and this will increase your click rates as well as ranking also. And make sure that this is your main keyword. Okay, so now the next part is meta description. Make sure you use all your 160 words as we have used here 67. So now this is by default description. So guys, when we talk about description, make sure always that your main keyword must be at least 3 times. So as I'm going to best camera lens, uh, coffee, sorry, coffee mug in 2018. This camera lens coffee mug is available. Oh man, available with free shipping and up to 30% discount. Buy your camera lens coffee mug now. As you can see guys, I have used my main keyword 3 times in description, at least 3 times. Camera lens coffee mug, camera lens coffee mug, and camera lens coffee mug. You have to use your keyword at least 3 times in your description. As you can see guys, I have also coffee mug camera lens, these 4 words, these 4 keywords in my URL. Guys, Google wants to show best results of their searches. For that, they use 3 layers of identification. First, they see that keyword. If let me give you an example. If I have searched for this one, they see the keyword in title. They they try to find the keyword in description, and after all, they try to find the keyword in the link. And if all the 3 matches, they show your results. Google ranking, your product ranking also depends on your main website ranking, main domain ranking. You have to optimize all of your product, which will make your website more stronger. And this is very important if you do not want to invest in Facebook ads and Instagram influencers for whole life. Guys, if your website SEO is good, then you can get hundreds of sales per day. But if it's not good, then you have to invest regularly in Facebook ads, in Instagram, and you have to do it whole life. This is the legit way which big fishes like Amazon and eBay do. They have very high ranking in Google, and whatever the product they post, they automatically get ranked for them. So guys, that's all for today, and please make sure to hit that subscribe button